Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Wednesdays. Alrighty, guys, so today I am going to be using the Scary Movie Kit from Savannah Paper Co. And I will list anything that I use in this video always down below with their links. Alright guys, so today I'm starting off with the, I'm pre-planning actually for October through November 1st. I just felt like I wanted to use a kit and I wanted to make sure that I used this kit at the right time. I was so anxious. So I know that I could have used it anytime during October, but I decided to, why not pre-plan a little bit. Anyway, guys, so I am terribly sorry. I am out of frame a lot in this video. Yeah. Anyways, I was thinking about using that washi, but then I decided, oh, why not use Savannah Paper Co.'s black washi with silver and gold bows. It's like two different washi, sorry. It's one with black and silver bows, and then the other one is black and gold bows. So I couldn't decide, and I always mix my metals anyways. I know some people are dead set against it, but I'm one that is okay with that. Anyway, guys, alrighty, so I'm adding my deco boxes to the bottom. Again, this is called the Scary Movies, so it is going to have characters that look awfully familiar, which some are my faves and some are my hubby's faves, but we like pretty much scary movies. I don't know. I like more detailed scary movies, and he likes the gore. I don't know. I love a good story. But anyways, all right. So I'm also going to be adding the washi tape on top, and I'm going to be using something that I use for my nails. I had one that I didn't use, and it makes a really good washi cutter. Anyway, also going to be adding the bottom washi on the top, and if I didn't say so before, I am planning in my classic happy planner and going to be using Sassy Planner Co.'s stickers to lift it up and try and make it a little straight. Anyways, so that's the first week, and now I'm going to be adding the second week. At first I wasn't going to add any on camera, the date dots, because I was trying to hurry up, but then I decided, oh, I bumped into them, so I looked and found them. Anyway, guys, so now at that point, you guys can't see it. I apologize again. More of the scary monsters. And then I'm going to be adding that washi tape, which I inverted. I put once, and I'm going to be doing it on the third row and on the bottom. So I put the two different ones, one on top, one on bottom, and then the other, I just kind of flipped it around. I don't know. I was just kind of in the mood for something different. So, and then I will be adding the pattern washi on top of that. So yeah, again, I apologize. And then at this point, I'm adding glitter, and I definitely have to fix that one up a little later. And so that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do the same thing, just in the reverse order. Just try to keep it a little bit of a pattern. And yeah, so you guys know that I went to Boston and had a great time. Found a really quaint, beautiful, cute restaurant right next to the Beverly train station. I used to be the train depot, and yeah, so I took a video of it with the train rolling by, and I was like, oh my god, nobody's gonna believe us, it's really funny. But anyways, I cut the checklist, the box checklist, in half, so it's just like I just added it to the other page. And then I'm going to be using from the checklist and icons, I'm going to be using one of those for Sunday, because it already has like a 3-box checklist already. And then I'm going to be using the little things, putting the boxes down on the bottom of that so that I can use the icons. Basically, I did that for my the fall transition kit, which is in the blog, and also I have that posted up on my my Instagram account so you guys can see what that looks like. But yeah, so I am now just adding those boxes, and her dainty cute little weekend box. This is her new design. That planet comes on the icons and checklists, the computer as well. I love her new setup. It's so functional and cute. So now we are going to be adding the flag checklist to the bottom or the second boxes. And again, I am sorry. This video is not the best. I forgot. I have to raise it up, or I don't know. Anyway, guys, so yeah. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Savannah Pipico blog stickers, which are custom. I love that she sells custom stickers. That is from Metalhead Planners. Those stickers, that is Sugar Pop Fizz Days Off. And the therapy stickers are from not from her shop, but from Savannah Pipico. That is custom stickers as well. So I'm adding just the dates on those date dots. Also want to mention, guys, that excuse me, Metalhead Planner is going on vacation until January of 2021. Wish her all the best of luck, and I can't wait to get some more goodies from her store. She is awesome. Love her prices, and I love her store. It's so unique. She offers so many good things in her shop, black and white, and also with a bunch of awesome colors, which I love the black and white because it goes with everything. Now I'm just kind of adding some deco, and yes, I'm like, okay, Eileen, you should have probably added this later on because I was like 6 minutes late to get him in his meeting, but it's all good. So at this point, I'm going to be adding a Dale sticker from Sugar Pop Fizz. And I think also I added something else. I don't know if I added it on camera or off camera. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, please let me know. And bye for now.